Hello everyone and welcome back to Motors&Me. So, last week I wanted to shoot a video on my Mark III Golf. I haven't touched the car since, I don't know, October, November, something like that. First, I wanted to see if it even starts. Sure enough, it doesn't. Now, I immediately knew what was wrong with the car, because since I have exposed the fuel pump, you can clearly hear when it starts to go. This time, however, it went for about half a second and then stopped. Now, first I thought it was a bad relay, so I got a new relay. It costs €2 or something like that. Here's the old one. Replaced the relay. The fuse box sits right underneath the dashboard on the driver's side, but no luck. So, obviously, what's left is the fuel pump. And so I went online to see how much a used fuel pump costs, and it's about €100 for a used part. I mean, there's no way I'm gonna pay €100 for a car that's gonna be junked in a couple of months. But then I thought, I don't need a whole new fuel pump. I just need the motor, not the whole housing. And the motor goes for just €20. And I'm willing to spend that for a couple more fun videos with this Golf before it's junked. And so today I'm gonna rebuild the old fuel pump by replacing the motor. I have never done that before, but I mean, how hard can it be? Man, I think I'm gonna regret those words. Okay, so here we have the old fuel pump, and judging by the looks of it, I think the only tools you would need are a bunch of flathead screwdrivers, because I think the housing is held together by clips, a couple go around up here. And you might notice that something's missing here, the floats. Yeah, I got rid of that because I'm removing the pump very often for making my videos, and that's just in the way, so yeah. Anyway, so the first thing, I think I'm gonna remove the cables here. They should come right off. That's one. Come on. There we go. Then let's remove this. Okay, there we go. Then we should open these clips. And this is gonna be funny. Okay. Okay. So this one is stuck. There we go. That wasn't too bad. Oh, and there it is. That easy? Why does it say Galaxy 2.3i? Yeah. No, wait, that's for a Ford Galaxy. So, there's the old one. Let me check. How does it compare to the new one? Okay, it does look similar. So I think I'll need to take this one off, because this is already on the new motor, so... And of course it's raining! Alright, I moved the position of the camera a bit because I want to film outside, because this is the first day of the year that we have decent weather. Besides the rain, that is. Anyways, to remove this, wherever that is for, I think there are 2 clips. Do I even need that? Nah, I suppose so. Wouldn't be there if I wouldn't. Oh! It just comes off like that. Just need to use a bit of force. Alrighty. There it is. Now let's put the new one in. Alright, and then we take the new pump, put it in the housing. Oh, there's a new gasket. I think that goes on there. this. Did I break something? Oh no, I didn't. Is that it? Then this ring, whatever that's for, I think it goes on like that. This is going way too smooth. Something has to go wrong. Alright, I think I am done. However, I do have doubts because it was way too simple. Okay, let's try it out. So yeah, the pump is hooked up to power, and yeah, I'm gonna probably hear a bunch of hate comments for doing what I'm about to do. I'm well aware that you shouldn't run the pump without any fuel, because the fuel is what's lubricating the pump. But I mean, it only needs to last for a couple more months, so this won't cause too much damage. I hope. We'll see. Anyways, alright, at the moment of truth, if it works, we should be able to hear it. It does! Awesome! Okay, the pump is all hooked up inside the tank. Now let's see if we can get this Golf to start. Alright, let's give it a shot. Well, it is working. Oh. Oh, it's firing. Awesome. The Golf is back and running. Still has a habit of smoking though. That's not too bad. The brakes were a bit stuck, but I gave it a bit of gas and it was fine. Fun thing though, I noticed when I revved it earlier, for the first, I don't know, fraction of a second, it doesn't do anything. Oh, there we go. Oh, now it drives more or less normally. Oh well. I think you can hear the pump going. Doesn't sound too good, to be honest, but the car is also low on fuel, so Alright, that is how you rebuild a fuel pump on a Mark III Golf. But seriously, a used pump for 100 euros, but a new pump motor for just 20 euros. I think it's very worth it. So the Golf is running again, meaning there are more Will It Run videos coming up. Stay tuned for those. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.